I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy Dippin' Dots. First, gather your ingredients: cotton candy flavoring, sugar, water, and liquid nitrogen. Safety is paramount, so put on your insulated gloves and eye protection. Prepare a clean, flat surface, ideally a baking sheet, for working with the liquid nitrogen. This ensures a smooth and safe process from start to finish. Next, let's create the delicious cotton candy base. In a bowl, combine your sugar, water, and the cotton candy flavoring. Stir this mixture thoroughly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. You'll notice the liquid taking on a vibrant color and a delightful aroma, indicating it's ready for the next step. This sweet base is what gives our Dippin' Dots their signature taste. Now for the exciting part: freezing your Dippin' Dots. Carefully pour your cotton candy mixture into a dropper or a squeeze bottle. Then, slowly drip small amounts of the mixture directly into the liquid nitrogen. Watch as the droplets instantly freeze into those iconic tiny, spherical dots. Work quickly but precisely to achieve the best results and uniform shapes for your treats. Once frozen, quickly transfer your cotton candy Dippin' Dots into an airtight container. Store them in a freezer at a very low temperature to maintain their perfect, individual dot form. For the best experience, serve them immediately and enjoy the unique texture and intense flavor. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.